Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows 11 volume increases or decreases automatically by itself, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. Now, uh, there is one solution which has worked for a lot of users, and that is to run the playing audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on the corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Now, a lot of users have also said that it is great, and now after a few months later, they need to do it once again. So here's one thing. Also, update the audio driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager window. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and select update driver. Right click on the second one and update driver. Right click on the third one and update driver, and that will fix the problem for long term. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.